Welcome back to Java Hack. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the Spring Framework. What is Spring Framework? What is the use of Spring Framework? Which type of applications we can develop using Spring Framework? Spring is a lightweight, loosely coupled integrated framework for Java-based applications, especially for enterprise and distributed applications. It was developed by Rod Johnson in 2003 to simplify the development of the Java-based applications using Spring Framework. It provides a lot of features, components, modules to simplify the development and increase the productivity. Spring supports several languages like Java, Kotlin, Ruby, and etc. things. But most of the Java developers use a Spring framework to build the very scalable, maintainable, and reusable softwares. And Spring has a lot of submodules like Spring MVC, Spring JDBC, Spring Security, and it supports to the lot of ORM tools like Hibernate, JPA, and etc. things to simplify the thing. And the Spring MVC, it is a powerful mechanism or the module to develop the Spring basic web applications with the focus of MVC architecture model view controller by differentiating or separating the layers like presentation layer, business logic layer, and data access layer, which is communicating with the database to simplifies the database communications and performing the operations and transaction management and etc. things. And C is the most common and important module where we can secure our endpoints and applications by making authentication and authorizations. And Spring JDBC, it simplifies the interacting with the database, and it supports to the several ORMs like Hibernate and JPA to communicate or establish with the database communications and simplifies the development. Using Spring framework, we can develop several type of applications like standalone applications, web applications, and distributed applications. And Spring makes itself very special because of its core components like dependency injection and IOC. Dependency injection is a design pattern which implements the IOC, which is used to create the objects or the beans from outside of a class and inject into a class in different ways like setter injection, constructor injection, and property injection. These are the most popular ways to perform dependency injection. Dependency injection is nothing but an injecting one class object reference into another class and using auto-wide annotation. And we have an IOC. IOC stands for inversion of control. It inverts the creation of the object or beans from the user to container. In Java, in traditional way, we only create the objects using new keyword. But here we are not going to create any objects or bean. Just we are giving the instructions to the container. Container is going to manage the whole bean life cycle, like bean creation to destruction, creating the beans and managing the beans. Like just we have to annotate our Java class as a Spring Beans using stereotype annotations like component, service, repository, and controller, etc. things. The container is going to manage the whole bean lifecycle for the classes. That's it. The guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And we will discuss very brief in upcoming videos about the Spring Boot, and microservices. That's it. Thank you.